The 66 Parallel Trail is transforming how our community connects, bringing new possibilities to life.
The 66 Parallel Trail has been great because, like it says, it's parallel to 66. So wherever you go on 66, you can basically get there on your bike. I've gone to appointments, I've gone shopping just for fun. It's really super accessible and easy for commuting.
Consider, just get a bike, get in a backpack, hop on, if you have a good access point, hop on that access point, ride over there, have a nice ride. You don't have to worry about traffic or anything. Hop off, get what you need, and come back. When the weather is gorgeous, it's a lot easier to think like, hey, it might be fun to go out and pick something up on my bike instead of having to fight all the traffic in and off of 66.
The trail connects you to parks, shops, and even the Vienna Metro, opening up routes that weren't possible before. Capital bike share stations are available at the Vienna and Dunn Loring metro stations, with nearby access to the I-66 Parallel Trail as well.